Ever pondered about the extraordinary tale hidden beneath the grandeur of the Grand Canyon? It's a geological marvel that stretches over 277 miles through the arid landscapes of Arizona. Its depth plunges to over a mile, revealing a spectacular array of rock layers that have been etched over time. This awe-inspiring landmark is more than just an impressive sight. It's a natural wonder that has captured the fascination of geologists worldwide. Each stratum of rock serves as a page in our planet's extensive geological diary, allowing us to peer back into epochs long past. The Grand Canyon's breathtaking beauty and sheer scale are a testament to the immense geological forces that have shaped our world. Its existence reminds us of the relentless power of erosion and the slow yet unstoppable march of tectonic forces. To truly appreciate its magnificence, we must delve deep into the past, into the very rock layers that narrate the Earth's ancient history. Our journey begins around 2 billion years ago, in the Proterozoic Eon. This was a time of intense geological activity, a time when the Earth was crafting the very foundation of what we now know as the Grand Canyon. Let's delve into the depths of the canyon, to the oldest rock layers known as the Vishnu Basement Rocks. These rocks were born from a fiery display of the Earth's power. Imagine molten magma, heated to unimaginable temperatures, bursting forth from the Earth's core, and then slowly cooling over millions of years. This resulted in a hard, resistant metamorphic basement, a base upon which the rest of the canyon would later be built. But the Earth wasn't done yet. Over the Vishnu Basement Rocks, the Grand Canyon supergroup was formed. This wasn't a quick process, but rather a slow, painstaking accumulation of sedimentary deposits over hundreds of millions of years. Picture layers of sand, silt and clay carried by ancient rivers, slowly settling down, layer upon layer, compressed and solidified over time into rock. These layers tell a fascinating story of their own. They speak of a time when the area was covered by shallow seas, when it was a desert with towering sand dunes, and even a time when it was near the equator, featuring a tropical climate. Each layer is a page in the Earth's diary, a snapshot of a specific moment in our planet's history. Yet these ancient rocks were not to remain undisturbed. The Earth had more plans in store, plans that would involve a dramatic lifting of the land and the carving of a magnificent canyon by the relentless forces of erosion. But that's a tale for another time. The Vishnu Basement Rocks and the Grand Canyon supergroup, these are the oldest chapters in the Grand Canyon's geological saga. They were formed through a complex interplay of volcanic activity, tectonic shifts, and sediment deposition, all unfolding over billions of years. These ancient rocks set the stage for the geological masterpiece that was yet to come. They are the foundation, the very bedrock upon which the grandeur of the canyon was built. And their story is just the beginning of our journey into the birth of a canyon. Fast forward to around 500 million years ago, a significant chapter in the canyon's history unfolds. This period, known as the Great Unconformity, marks a dramatic gap in the geological record of the Grand Canyon. It's like turning a page in an engrossing novel, only to find the next several chapters missing. The Great Unconformity is a boundary where rock layers of the Grand Canyon abruptly shift from one age to another, with a time difference of over 1 billion years between them. Imagine, one moment you're in the midst of life's first flourishing during the Cambrian period, and the next, you're hurled back to a time when the Earth was a barren land with no complex life forms. So what happened during this missing chunk of geological time? Theories abound. Some suggest that a massive erosion event could have wiped out the evidence of geological history. Others propose it might have been the result of tectonic events, where the Earth's crust was deformed and recycled back into its mantle, effectively erasing any record of its existence. Regardless of the causes, the Great Unconformity stands as a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet. It's a geological puzzle that continues to challenge and inspire scientists around the world. This enigmatic period left an indelible mark on the geological identity of the Grand Canyon. Around 5 to 6 million years ago, a new formidable sculptor emerged, the Colorado River. With the strength of 1,000 hammers and the precision of a master artisan, It began to chisel away at the landscape, leaving in its wake the breathtaking formation we now know as the Grand Canyon. Erosion, a seemingly destructive process, proved to be a masterful creator in the hands of the Colorado River. Just as an artist molds clay, the river, through erosion, began to sculpt the canyons. It's a process that's as simple as it is powerful. Water, in its relentless flow, wears away the rocks and soil, bit by bit, grain by grain. The river's journey wasn't a straight path. It meandered, twisted and turned, cutting deeper into the Earth's crust. Where the river's flow was strongest, it carved more deeply, creating the canyon's dramatic cliffs. In places where the flow was weaker, the river left behind wide, gentle slopes. This process of erosion was not a solo act. It was a grand performance with supporting roles played by wind and rain. They whipped up the canyon walls, smoothing and shaping them, adding their own touches to the sculpture in progress. Over time, the river carried away the eroded material, depositing it downstream. These sediments, layered over millions of years, tell a fascinating story. They're like pages in a book, each one representing a chapter in the Earth's history. These layers hold the secrets of climate changes, ancient ecosystems, and even the movements of the continents themselves. Yet the Colorado River wasn't content with merely carving the canyon. It also painted it. The minerals it carried downstream from the Rocky Mountains stained the canyon's walls with shades of red, orange, and brown. The river didn't just create a landscape, it created a masterpiece. The Colorado River's work is never done. Even today, it continues to shape and reshape the Grand Canyon. Erosion is a process that spans millions of years, and we are fortunate enough to witness a snapshot of this geological wonder in our lifetime. Today, the Grand Canyon stands as a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet. This vast chasm, carved by the Colorado River, showcases the power of natural forces in a way few other places on Earth can rival. The rock layers exposed in the canyon walls tell a captivating story, a tale of Earth's history written in stone. The Grand Canyon's present state is a direct result of the geological processes we've explored, the tectonic uplift that gave birth to it, the great unconformity that added mystery to its formation, and the relentless erosion that sculpted its awe-inspiring landscapes. But the Grand Canyon is more than just a geological wonder. It's a thriving ecosystem, home to over 1,500 known species of plants, mammals, birds, and reptiles, some of which are found nowhere else in the world. The canyon's diverse habitats, ranging from desert scrub to alpine forests, offer a haven for this rich biodiversity. The canyon also holds deep cultural significance. For thousands of years, it has been a sacred place for Native American tribes who continue to maintain a profound spiritual connection with the land. Their stories and history are intricately woven into the very fabric of the canyon. Moreover, the Grand Canyon is a treasure trove for scientific research. Geologists come from around the globe to study its exposed rock layers, which provide an unparalleled window into Earth's past. Paleontologists unearth ancient fossils, while climatologists investigate past climate changes. Every rock, every layer, every fossil has a story to tell, and the Grand Canyon is an open book for those who know how to read it. The Grand Canyon, a breathtaking marvel of nature, is indeed a window into the Earth's vibrant past. It stands as a vivid reminder of our planet's dynamic history, its ecological diversity, and the deep cultural ties that bind us to the natural world. As we look upon its majestic beauty, let's not forget the fascinating journey it took to become the wonder it is today.